Welcome back. In today's Microsoft Excel tutorial, I'll be showing you how to calculate percentages as well as percentage change. The formulas for these are simple, so you shouldn't run into too many problems when trying to work it out. We've got two examples here. We're going to start with the top one to calculate the percentage. So we want to work out what percentage has been met. As you can see, it's going to be 50%, but that doesn't matter. The formula will be the same. The first thing we want to do is format the percentage box, the one that we want the answer to be displayed in. Click in that and then go to the percentage icon here, or you can go to Format Cells by pressing Ctrl 1 and then going to Number and then going down to Percentage, where you can choose the decimal places as well. Once it's set to percentage, it should say percentage up here at the top, and now we can start to enter the formula. The formula is nice and simple. All we're going to do is hit equals and then go to the sales number, hit the / key and then go to the target. If you're not sure which way around to divide, the target or the full number is going to be last. Hit enter and you can see it's displayed it as 50%, and that's all you need to do for that example. Moving on to the second example, we'll look at percentage change. Again, this is nice and simple, but there's one additional step. First, we obviously need to set this to percentage again, so we can do that. Now that it's set to percentage, we're going to input the formula. Again, we're going to start our formula with equals, and then we're going to hit open bracket. We're now going to select the sales for 2019. We're going to be working back in time, if that makes sense, so 2019 to 2018. So this one first. Then the divide key, which is /, and then the sales for 2018. And then of course we need to close the brackets as well. So we're working out the percentage change of 2019 based on 2018's number. So that's why it's going to be that way around. If we hit enter now, that will give us 110%. Of course, that's not the percentage change. The percentage change is simply 110% minus 1 or minus 100%. So of course we need to go back to the formula, and then on the end of the formula we're going to put -1, and that's why we added the brackets. That will give us the percentage change or the percentage increase, which is 10% in this case. Of course, if we were to decrease this to say 41,000, it'll be a negative percentage change. And so that's how to calculate percentages and percentage change in Microsoft Excel. If you have any questions or video suggestions, let me know in the comments. Also check out my other Excel videos. I'll show you how to create a progress bar using percentages or a progress ring, as well as how to change colors of cells. You can view the entire playlist. All links will be in the description. If you found the video helpful, make sure you leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.